So the International Phonetic Alphabet is this massive set of characters that we need to understand and sort of be able to navigate fairly efficiently as we do phonetic work, as we do transcriptions, as we read literature about phonetic pronunciations in different languages. So there's a lot of symbols, and it's good to be as familiar as possible with them so you're not always having to refer back and forth. So I'm going to give you a set of very short videos that go through different portions of the IPA or different subsets of the characters to sort of help with some mnemonic tricks that I've found for understanding and being able to better navigate these. Things like the small capital letters, the characters derived from the Greek alphabet, various sets that are based around a particular letter, like the different A's, the different N's, and so on. So I hope that these are helpful. Uh, they're really just meant as tricks to help you memorize. So if you're already having some success with something, you maybe don't need that video. If you're having difficulty, check it out. If it doesn't help, don't use it. These aren't rules. These are just tricks for helping to memorize. So I hope it's helpful.